Monica Khan and I'm an ex-student from Wisdom Tutorials. I was there for 3 years from 10th standard to 12th standard. My experience at Wisdom was totally amazing. We used to study there for hours and we never got tired. And the staff is very friendly. They used to give us constant knowledge about the current affairs, which kept us from not getting bored. Regular tests were taken, doubts were cleared on time, and I used to ask doubts so much that and they used to clear it every time. Short notes and important questions were given to us, which were very helpful during the exam. And we used to celebrate Teachers' Day, Independence Day, and Republic Day with so much joy. And I'm in first year BCom, and they are still in contact with me for constant guidance. And I loved going to Wisdom Tutorials. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Aisha Dabolkar and I'm an ex-student of Wisdom Tutorials. I had opted for a crash course for CBSE Class 10 board examination, and namely my subjects were math and science. My portion was completed within 2 months. Being an international student, all my doubts were cleared. Immediately the response from the faculty was swift. All kinds of notes and previous year questions were solved. Hence, all the concepts were clear, which helped me score excellent marks in my boards. Thank you, Wisdom Tutorial.
Hello, my name is Afan Akram Sheikh and I currently study in class 12 at St. Wilfrid's. I have been studying with Wisdom Tutorial during my class 10 and I have been able to score a great marks due to the support of the faculty of Wisdom Tutorials. Our doubts were clear constantly and each and every student in our class were provided with individual attention. We were having a constant test series of each and every subject, due to which it enhanced our knowledge and also created a depth knowledge in each and every subject. We were also provided with the greater resources such as notes of each and every chapters and previous year question papers and some books, which helped us a lot. And we also had a great interaction with the faculty, and which because of this we had a great year too. And so I would like to recommend each and every other students to take the opportunity and learn with Wisdom Tutorial. Thank you.
Hello, I am Rania Khan and I have studied in Wisdom Tutorial for the past 2 years, and I look forward to study there because I had a great experience of studying there. The teachers are very well qualified and very polite. They help me tackle my every problem every time I ask them. They give us many worksheets to complete and take regular weekly tests so that to keep us updated for our exams. They celebrate many occasions like Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Republic Day, Independence Day, so that we can have a good atmosphere around while studying. So I really like Wisdom Tutorials and I would like to thank them for giving me such a great opportunity of studying there. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Tazin Ansari from class 10. I'm studying in Wisdom Tutorial since 9th standard. I'm taking this opportunity to share my experience about studying in Wisdom Tutorials. I must say, till now it had been really very astonishing and surpassed my expectations. The reluctance and the hesitance that I and my parents had in me joining the class has been proved wrong by all the teachers in the class. I like their friendly way of teaching, keeping the topic simple with best of examples. With constant homework and regular class tests, all the doubts were cleared, keeping the syllabus moving at a constant pace. The approach to evaluate every student as unique helped me to make my studies lighter, thereby eliminating the mental burden which usually reflects in a student of a higher standard. Due to the pandemic, all the classes were conducted online, but they were no less than in-person teaching, and I never felt that gap between my co-students and teachers. My sincere thanks to all the staff at Wisdom classes for supporting me and helping me whenever I approach them. I am really happy and equally convinced that my class 10 preparation are in really good hands. Thank you.